Hello, good morning. This is Teacher Jacob, and this video is for 8th grade. Okay, so remember the class for today it's about vocabulary. So remember, if you want to increase the knowledge of English, what you need to do is increase the new words every day, every moment that you can. So vocabulary is very, very important for learning another language. Okay, so please keep in mind that if you want to learn English, you need to have a lot of vocabulary. It means every day you have to memorize 5, 6 words, 3 words. It depends on you. So you want to learn English quickly, so you learn a lot of words. Okay? This also is very important because it gives to you the chance to complete the homework number 4. So remember, you got homework 1, 2, 3, and the last one is homework number 4. And what you need to do in this is basically is to review vocabulary. So that's why this is going to be an extra help for your homework number 3. Got it? This. What else? I told you that one of the options that we have for improving, for gathering, for understanding the new language is music. As very, I mean, is one of the best options for learning because if you like music, you're gonna learn very quickly. You're gonna learn vocabulary. You're gonna learn writing, grammar, all the skills. So learning with music is spectacular. Okay. So what you need to do in this video is 2 activities. Activity number 1 is you are going to copy words that you understand. I mean, you copy the words that you understand that you say I is similar to because you understand. So you're going to copy a lot of words that you know. Activity 1. Activity 2 is different. You need to copy words that you don't understand. So you don't understand the word, so you put pause and then you copy. So you're gonna make a list. List 1, words that you understand. List 2, words that you don't understand. I mean, known words and unknown words. Okay? That's what I need. Okay? Copy that. So let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's sing with music. Let's start with this song. It's not complicated and perhaps you understand. Okay? John Lennon, Imagine. Imagine all the people. So listen and copy words that you understand and you don't understand. Okay? That's what I want to do it with you. Okay? I'm going to help you in this case. Okay? Ready? Remember, copy words that you don't understand. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hells belong to you belong us, above us only a sky. Imagine all the people cheering for today. So remember, I understand imagine a list. There's I understand a list. No under a list. I mean words that you understand. Heaven, I understand heaven. It's I copy is easy. If I don't understand, try. I go to the other list and I copy try. Hell, I don't understand. Below, I don't understand. So remember words that you understand and words that you don't understand. So continue. Imagine all the people. Sharing for today, you see, that's imagine. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and not religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say, I am a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will be as one. You see, it's just vocabulary. That's what I need. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of men. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. Now, let's go to another song. Okay, so now let's go to another. Now, let's go to this. So remember, copy the words that you understand and you don't understand. To list. List one, words that you understand. List two, words that you don't understand. Dust. I understand dust. In. Wind. I close my eyes only for a moment and the moment's gone. So I don't understand gone. I write there. All my dreams pass before my eyes. Curiosity, dust in the wind. All they are is dust in the winds. Same as song, just drop of water in a endless sea. All we do crumbles, crumbles to the ground, though we refuse to see. Dust in the wind, all we are is dust in the wind. You see, it's learning with music. It's not complicated. It's it's music. It's simple, and perhaps you can understand this better. All right. So let's continue. Just practicing with music. Music is one of the best options for increasing, for learning English. Let's go. Let's continue. So, now don't hang on. Nothing lasts forever but earth and sky. If slips away, all your money won't another minute buy. You see, it's not complicated. So now let's go to another. This the police. Every breath you take. So I understand every breath. I don't understand, so I copy there. So positive and negative. I know this, copy this. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you play, and you will watching you. or can see it. You belong to me. My poor heart is with every step you take, every move you make, every wall you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I will wash in you. Remember, here you need to copy words that you don't understand. See your face. I look around, but it's you can't replace. I feel so cold and alone for you embrace. I keep crying, baby, baby, please. So remember, here is vocabulary. So that's good. So it's good to know a lot of words with music. I can see you. You belong to me. You see? Words that you don't understand. My poor heart ache with every step you take. Every move you make. Every wall you break. Though you break. Every, and you claim your stake. And you will washing. Every move you make. Every step you take. I'll be watching you. All right. So notice this. It's not complicated, and you can learn a lot. So let's go to another song. So you listen and copy the words that you understand and you don't understand. Just let's continue. Let's do it. Okay? So I don't wanna, I don't understand wanna. So you copy in this part. I understand. So you go to the other. So it's the same exercise. Just listen and copy. I could stay awake just to hear you breathe in, watch your smile while you're sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. So notice this, every moment spent with you, it's a moment I treasure. I don't want I don't want to close my eyes. I don't want to fall asleep cause I miss you, baby. I don't want to miss you a thing. Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream will never do. I'll still miss you, baby. I don't want to miss a thing. Now, let's go to another. Okay, let's see. Let's go to another song. It is Wake Me Up. So here's one thing I want you to know. You got some place to go. Life's a test, but you go tall, 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 and you don't give up. No, you grow. And you use your pain cause it makes me you don't notice this. Though I wish I could hold you through it. I know it's not the same. So notice how many words you can study with music. So remember also is you can put pause and then you copy, okay? It's just copying. You got living to do and I just want you to do it. So get up, right, relight that spark